How to pay with everyday rewards. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can pay with everyday rewards. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. First thing first, you can open up your everyday rewards application and make sure you're logged into your account. Here you'll get an fees like this. Now in order to pay with everyday rewards, first you'll have to link your bank account to the everyday rewards. What you can do is you can simply go ahead and you can tap on the card option at the bottom of your screen. On the home page there you can see card option at the bottom. Simply tap on it, and here you want to tap on the wallet option at the bottom right. You can see the bottom right corner there, and once you do so, here you can tap on the payment settings option, and here you want to add bank card. Once you add your bank card, here you want to enter in your bank card, and once you do so, you'll be able to use it. However, the other way is what you can do is you can link your card to Google Pay, and you can use Google Pay to make your payment using your rewards card as well. Simply tap on show card at the home page. You want to tap on show card option there that you can see on the screen, and then tap on add to Google Wallet, and once you do so, here it'll take you to the Google Wallet login option there, and you'll be able to add it. Simply tap on add here and it'll be added. So this way you can pay with everyday rewards. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.